Motorcycle phone mounts have evolved from a basic grip to precision-engineered accessories that protect devices from vibration, weather, and handling forces, while offering flexible mounting options. For riders who rely on navigation, communications, or hands-free calls, a reliable mount is as critical as a helmet or tire grip. Product number 1, Lamicall Bike Phone Holder. This budget-friendly Lamicall BM02 mount emphasizes a broad size range, 4.7 to 6.8 inches, and a straightforward, tool-free installation. It relies on corner grip clamping with a red back switch lock to secure the phone and includes silicone pads for vibration damping and scratch protection. The mount fits handlebars with diameters from 0.59 inches to 1.57 inches or 15 to 40 millimeters and claims compatibility with phones up to 0.59 inches thick, including many Pro models and cases. Prospective buyers gain a lightweight, easy-to-mount solution that delivers adequate vibration control for moderate speeds and typical city riding. Performance-wise, the four-corner clamp design prioritizes one-handed operation and quick orientation, horizontal or vertical, without wobbly articulation. While it does not feature an anti-shake dampener like higher-priced models. Product number 2, Joyroom Motorcycle Phone Mount. Joyroom's model emphasizes one-handed operation with the 1-second auto-lock mechanism and a robust four-arm clamping system. It supports handlebars from 0.7 inches to 1.34 inches and phones from 4.7 inches to 7 inches, thickness up to 0.71 inches with case. It touts a reinforced ball joint and cushioned clamp edges for phone and handlebar protection, along with a 360-degree adjustable orientation. The price point, $15.19, positions it as a value-oriented option with strong locking behavior and broad phone compatibility. In practice, the one-click auto lock is a notable usability advantage, especially for riders who need to mount or remove a phone quickly. The reinforced ball joint reduces loosening over time, and the silicone padded contact points minimize surface damage and slippage on rough roads.
Product number 3, Lamicall Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder, Dual Vibration Dampener, Upgrade Handlebar Clip, Motorcycle Cell Phone Holder. This variant from Lamicall adds a patented vibration dampener and a durable metal adjustment arm, aiming to noticeably reduce high-speed engine vibrations and provide flexible viewing angles. It supports 4.7 to 6.7-inch devices with maximum thickness around 0.59 inches and handlebar sized 15 to 40 millimeters. The dual dampener system uses 4 springs on a metal board for vibration absorption, and the 720-degree adjustment arm offers broad rotational freedom while maintaining security via anti-slip padding. Performance testing shows meaningful improvements in camera stability and screen readability on rough terrains and highway droning.
Product number 4, Lamicall Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder, Dual Vibration Dampener, Metal 720-degree adjustment arm with anti-theft features. This is the premium variant in the Lamicall line, featuring a dual vibration dampener and a metal 720-degree adjustment arm with anti-theft features. It supports 4.7 to 6.7-inch phones, includes a security screw and wrench, and advertises anti-theft security along with high-speed secure knobs. Handlebar compatibility sits within 0.78 to 1.38 inches, or 20 to 35 millimeters, and the design emphasizes rigid mounting with enhanced vibration damping for a smoother ride at higher speeds. In real-world use, the anti-theft screws and back safety lock add peace of mind for riders who park in urban environments. The 720-degree arm allows precise viewing from any angle. Product number 5, BRCOVAN Anti-Theft Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder with Vibration Dampener. The BRCOVAN mount emphasizes a broad 5.4 to 7.2-inch device range with anti-theft features and a vibration damper. It uses PA66 plus GF 30% with stainless steel telescoping rods and multiple mounting bases, handlebar, and rear view mirror. The package includes a dedicated anti-theft screw and wrench, plus a 720-degree rotation design and adjustable length to accommodate a range of phone sizes and handlebars from 0.5 to 1.26-inch diameter. It is designed for riders seeking secure, adaptable installation on varied bike setups. Performance-wise, the integrated vibration dampener and silicone padding help protect cameras from road shocks, while the anti-theft screw system minimizes risk from urban environments or rest stops.